Hello students, today my topic is intermediate second year 2B Maths, first chapter circles, 7 marks important questions. This type of the questions will ask in the examination for the question number 19. See, let us first read the question. Find the transverse common tangents of the circles x square plus y square minus 4x minus 10y plus 28 equal to 0 and x square plus y square plus 4x minus 6y plus 4 equal to 0. They given a two circles and asked to transverse common tangents. So before we go to solve this problem, we want to know, so what are called the transverse common tangents? What are called the transverse common tangent? See, now I am drawing here one diagram. Yes, I draw the two circles and here it is the common tangent. And for this common tangent, both the circles, the two circles are opposite sides. So one is a downwards, another one is a upwards. If the circles are opposite sides of the tangent line is called what? Transverse common tangent. So the same type of the problem we are having here. So let us go to solve this problem. Let the given circles are S1 is equals to, let the first circle is a S1, x square plus y square minus 4x minus 10y plus 28 equal to 0. And the second circle S2 is equals to x square plus y square plus 4x minus 6y plus 4 equal to 0. Here I assume the first circle as S1 and second circle as S2. Yes. Now this S1, that is what first circle. S1 compare with general equation of the circle. General equation of the circle. So what is the general equation of the circle? X square plus y square plus 2gx plus 2fy plus c equal to 0. So if we compare with S1, this x square plus y square terms same in the both the circles. So that's what I equate the 2gx with this x term is minus 4x and 2fy is equated with the y term, that is minus 10y, and c is equals to 28. Now we cancel the x both the sides. We can write now g is equals to minus 4 by 2. This 2 will comes down by 2. 2 to the 4, then g is equals to minus 2. Here we can cancel the y both the sides. Right, f is equals to, right, minus 10 and these 2 take here by 2 and 2 5 is a 10. So what is now f is equals to minus 5. F value is a minus 5. Now I am going to find with this g value and f value and the c value is what? C1 and R1. C1 is equals to the center, the point of center is in the form of minus g comma minus f is equals to, substitute this g value, f value is here. G is what? Minus 2 is there. This minus minus is plus, so write to 2. And f is also minus into minus is a plus, right, 5. 2 comma 5 is the first center. And we now find the first radius. Write the radius formula as g square plus f square minus c. So in this formula substitute g value, f value and c value. Write R1 is equals to under root of G square. G is what? Minus 2. Minus 2 whole square plus F is minus 5 whole square. Write the formula minus, and C is what? 28. So simplify it. R1 is equals to under root of minus 2 whole square is what? Plus 4. Minus into minus plus, and 2 square is a 4. Plus minus 5 whole square. Minus 5 whole square is plus 25. Minus into minus is a plus, and 5 square is a 25. And next is what? Minus 28 is equals to root 4 plus 25 is 29 minus 28 is root 1. Root 1 is what? 1. So R1 is equals to 1. Therefore, C1 is the first center is 2 comma 5 and the first radius is 1. Now, this S2 compare with general equation of the circle. So 2gx is equating with the x term, that is what? 4x, and 2fy is equal with the y term, minus 6y, and c is equals to 4. Because what is the general equation of the circle? X square plus y square plus 2gx plus 2fy plus c equal to 0. So from that x square plus y square both are same in the two circles, and next one is what? 2gx is equal with this, and 2fy is equal with this value, and c is equal with 4. That's why I wrote this time. And here we can cancel x both the sides and write g equals to 4 by, and 2 is comes in the denominator. 2 2s are 4 and g is equals to 2. And y cancel both the sides. Right, f is equals to minus 6, and this 2 is comes down, is in the denominator, and 2 3s are 6. So f is equals to minus 3, and that is what? C value. Therefore, C2 is equals to minus g comma minus f. This is the point form of the center. Is equals to, so substitute this g value, f value in this point form. Minus g, minus, what is g? G is 2, comma, minus, this minus into minus is a plus, so f is what? 3. C2 is equals to minus 2 comma 3. And what about the R2 second radius? The radius formula is g square plus f square minus c. And in that formula, we substitute these values. G square, g is a 2 square plus f square, f is minus 3 whole square, and minus c, c is what? 4. So is equals to under root of 2 square is a 4 plus minus 3 whole square is a 9 minus 4. This plus 4 minus 4 gets cancelled. Root 9 remains. Root 9 is what? 3. This is R2. The second radius is 3 and the second center is minus 2 comma 3. Now we need to find out the distance between the two centers. Distance between C1, C2. C1 is equals to 2 comma 5 and C2 is equals to minus 2 comma 3. So let this is x1, y1 and it is what? x2, y2. Write the distance formula. C1, C2 is equals to under root of x2 minus x1 whole square plus y2 minus y1 whole square. Make this is box. And C1, C2 is equals to under root of x2. What is x2? Is minus 2 minus x1. x1 is 2 whole square plus y2. y2 is 3 minus y1 is 5 whole square is equals to under root of minus 2 is minus 4 whole square plus 3 minus 5 is minus 2 whole square is equals to under root of minus 4 whole square is what? 16. Minus square is a plus, 4 square is a 16 plus minus 2 whole square. Minus square is plus, 2 square is a 4. So the C1 C2 is equals to root 16 plus 4 is 20 is equals to, we can write it now, 4 5 is a 20. If the root is separate for both 4 and 5, we get root 4 is 2 and that is root 5. So C1 C2, the distance between the two centers is 2 root 5. Now find R1 plus R2. Is what? 1 plus 3. 1 plus 3 is a 4. So C1 C2 is a 2 root 5. Therefore C1 C2 is greater than R1 plus R2. This is the greater value with this. So that C1 C2 will come more than 4. And this R1 plus R2 is 4 only is there. That's what C1 C2. Therefore C1 C2 is greater than R1 plus R2. So the circles are not touch each other. Then the circles will come like this. This is one circle and it is another circle. To draw a transverse common tangents, see, I am drawing, this is the common tangent and this is the tangent line for both the circles. That's why we can say it is a common tangent. See, this is the transversal line because one circle is a left side and another circle is comes right side. Or we can say it is upwards and that is downwards. And now I am drawing one more one. This is one transverse common tangent. We are having two transverse common tangents. This is the point of contact and it is C1 and this is what? C2. This is the, you can write here or there also. This is R1 and this is the R2. R1 and R2. Now this point of contact is inside the circles. It means what? P divides C1 C2 internally. Yes, here is C1 value and C2 value and R1 is to R2. Now I am substituting this value in a internal formula. X is equals to M1 X2 plus M2 X1 by M1 plus M2 and Y is equals to M1 Y2 plus M2 Y1 by M1 plus M2. Make this is box like this. So X is equals to M1. M1 is a 1 into X2. X2 is minus 2 plus M2. M2 is 3 into X1. X1 is 2 by M1 plus M2 is 1 plus 3. Comma Y is equals to M1 is 1 into Y2. Y2 is 3 plus M2. M2 is 3 into Y1 is 2. Y1 is 5 by 1 plus 3. So X is equals to plus into minus minus 1 2 is a 2 plus 2 3 is a 6 by 1 plus 3 is a 4 comma Y is equals to 1 3 is a 3 plus 3 5 is a 15 by 4. Now simplify this. So X is equals to minus 2 plus 6 is 4 plus 4 by 4 comma Y is equals to 3 plus 15 is 18 by 4. So 4 ones are 4. Here it is 2 twos are and 2 nines are. X is equals to 1 and Y is equals to 9 by 2. Therefore P is equals to 1 comma 9 by 2. This is the point. P is what? 1 comma 9 by 2. Yes. Now this is S1 square is equals to S11 into S is the equation of pair of tangents. So here S is x square plus y square plus 2gx plus 2fy plus c equal to 0. And S1 is x1 plus y1 plus g into x plus x1 plus f into y plus y1 plus c equal to 0. And S11 is x1 square plus y1 square plus 2gx1 plus 2fy1 plus c equal to 0. These three are the formulas. This one is the S, and it is the S1 formula, and it is S11 formula. For this S, we can take any one of the circle. We can take either first circle or second circle, and then find the S1 and S11. After that, substitute in this equation. In which equation? S1 square is equal to S11 into S. For pair of tangents, to find the pair of tangents, we want to find this equation. Yes. See, S is equals to, I taken x square plus y square minus 4x minus 10y plus 28 equal to 0. And the next we find the S1. What is the S1 formula? X into x1. Right? X into x1 is what? 1. This p value is x1, y1. Plus y into y1. y1 is 9 by 2. Plus g into, here g is minus 2. Then we can write it is minus 2 into x plus x1, and next f is minus 5, and y plus y1 plus c is what? 28. Is what? 28. Next is equals to, if we simplify it, we get x1 is x plus 9 into y is a 9y by 2 minus 2 into x is 2x, and minus 2 into 1, minus into plus minus, 2 ones are 2, minus 5 into 1 5y minus plus, minus into plus minus, 5 nines are 45 by 2 plus 28. So is equals to, simplify it now, x minus 2x, we can write it is minus x, then y terms, here two terms are there, y, 9y by 2, and it is minus 5y, and the constants are 28 minus 2 is a 26 plus 26 minus 45 by 2. Then we can write by 1 and by 1. So do LCM is here, we get 2. In one table 2 goes 2 times, 2 into minus x minus 2x, plus in 2 table 2 goes 1 time, 1 into 9y is a 9y, minus 2 5s are 10. In one table 2 goes 2 times, 2 5s are 10y, plus in one table 2 goes 2 times, 2 into 26, 2 6 are 12, 2 2s are 4, 1 5, 52, minus in 2 table 2 goes 1 time, 1 45s are 45. Now simplify it, is equals to continuation, minus 2x, and this is plus 9y, minus 10y is minus y, and plus 52 minus 45 is plus 7 by 2. This is the S1. S1 is equals to minus 2x minus y plus 7 by 2. Next we want to find out the S11. Now I am going to find S11. S11 is equals to, the formula is x1 square is what? 1 square plus y1 square is 9 by 2 whole square plus 2g, 2 into g is minus 2, 2g x1, x1 is a 1, plus 2f, f is minus 5, into y1 is 9 by 2, plus c, x1 square plus y1 square plus 2g x1 plus 2f y1 plus c. Now we simplified it, right? Is equals to 1 square is a 1 plus 9 square is 81 by 2 square is a 4, plus into minus minus, 2 2s are 4, 4 1s are 4, and plus into minus minus, we can cancel these 2 and these 2, 9 5s are 45 plus 28 is equals to 28 plus 1 is 29, 29, and minus 4 minus 45 is minus 49 plus 81 by 4 is equals to plus 29 minus 49 is minus 20 plus 81 by 4 is equals to LCM is a 4, 4 20s are 80, minus 80 plus 81 is equals to 1 by 4. Minus 80 plus 81 is 1, 1 by 4. This is the value of S11. S11 is equals to what? 1 by 4. Now I am going to substitute this S value, S1 value and S11 value in the pair of tangents, equation of the parent tangents. Now I substitute in place of S1 is minus 2x minus y plus 7 by 2 and whole square is equals to S11 is 1 by 4 into, and S value is a x square plus y square minus 4x minus 10y plus 28. So this square is separating for numerator and denominator. We can add it now, minus 2x minus y plus 7 whole square by 2 square, 2 square is a 4 is equals to 1 by 4 into x square plus y square minus 4x minus 10y plus 28. We can cancel this 4 and this 4. Now it is in the formula of minus a minus b plus c whole square. So I am writing here formula once, minus a minus b plus c whole square. Its formula is a square plus b square plus c square. Till here write as it is, and after next in place of 2ab, 2bc, 2ca, where is a, there we write minus symbol, and where is b, there is also write minus symbol. And after this is what? 2ab. So 2ab, this is also minus and it is also minus, minus into minus plus 2ab. And next 2bc. So minus is there, minus 2bc. And next 2ca, 2ca, again minus 2ca. So in that formula we want to substitute this term. So a square is x whole square is a 4x square. Minus square is a plus, 2 square is a 4 and x. Plus it is a y square plus 7 square is a 49. And after this is what? Plus 2ab, 2 into a is what? 2x and b is what? Y. Minus 2bc, b is what? Y, c is 7. Minus 2ca, c is 7 and a is 2x is equals to 1 into anything is equal to same thing. So 1 into x square is a x square plus y square minus 4x minus 10y plus 28. Thus, now write this 4x square as it is plus y square plus 49 plus 2 to the 4, 4xy. 4xy minus 2 sevens are 14y. 14y minus 2 sevens are 14, 14 2s are 28. 28x is equals to x square plus y square minus 4x minus 10y plus 28. And next take the right side terms to left side. Transfer the right side terms left side. Then write the LHS side same. 4x square plus y square plus 49 plus 4xy minus 14y minus 28x minus 28x, and this is minus x square, and this plus y square becomes minus y square, minus 4x becomes plus 4x, and minus 10y becomes plus 10y, and this plus 28 becomes minus 28 equal to 0. Now we simplified it. So 4x square minus x square is 3x square, and next plus y square minus y square gets cancelled. After this is what? Plus 4xy plus 4xy, and next here minus 28x plus 4x is minus 24x. Next the y term is the minus 14y and plus 10y. It is minus 4y, and next the constant terms plus 49 minus 28 is plus 21 equal to 0. Yes. Now this 3x square plus 4xy minus 24x minus 4y plus 21 equal to 0. 3x square plus 4xy minus 24x minus 4y plus 21 equal to 0 is the pair of equation. In this equation there are two tangents. Which one we required? The two tangent lines are there in this equation. So if you want to separate the two tangents equations, see, first we find one of the factor from this one. So I am taking x minus 1 as one of the, I am assuming x minus 1 as one of the factor. It is a trial and error method. If x minus 1 equal to 0, then x is equal to what? 1. Now I am going to substitute in this equation in x plus is 1. If it is equal to with 0, then we can confirm that x minus 1 is a factor of this. Okay, come let us find out. 3 in place of x is 1, then it is 1 square plus 4 into 1 into y minus 24 into 1 minus 4y plus 21 equal to 0. So 3 into 1 square is a 1 plus 4 ones are 4y, 24 ones are 24 minus 4 plus 21 equal to 0. 3 ones are 3 plus 4y minus 24 minus 4y plus 21 equal to 0. This plus 4y minus 4y gets cancelled. So 3 plus 21 is 24, and it is minus 24 equal to 0. So 24 minus 24 is a 0 equal to 0. So this x minus 1 is the one of the factor for this equation. Now I am going to find one more factor. So that is by division method. See, the first quotient, here the first divisor is a x, x into 3x. X into 3x is 3x square. The same quotient is multiplying with the second divisor, that is a minus 1. 3x into minus 1 minus 3x. Symbol change. And 3x square gets cancelled. 4xy remains here. Minus 24x plus 3x is minus 21x minus 4y plus 21, right, as it is. And the next second quotient, here it is a 4xy. So then it will come, here it is a 4x, x is a divisor. So x into 4y is what? 4xy. The same 4y is multiplied with minus 1, minus 4y. Plus into minus, minus 4y ones are 4y. Minus, and this change as a plus. Minus change as plus. So these both are gets cancelled. 4xy gets cancelled, and minus 4y plus 4y gets cancelled. And remains minus 21x, and this is plus 21. Here minus symbol is there, so write here minus x. X 21s are minus 21x. Minus 21 into x, minus 21x, and this minus into minus is plus. 21 ones are 21, plus 21. Change the symbols, minus, and cancel them. Both are cancelled. Equal to 0. Therefore, this is one of the factor. So finally, we conclude. Therefore, equation of the tangents are x minus 1, and another one is a 3x plus 4y minus 21. These two are the equation of the tangents. So these two are the factors of this equation. That's what we can write the equations. Tangents equations is x minus 1 equal to 0, and another equation is 3x plus 4y minus 21 equal to 0. These are the answers. The equation of the tangents is x minus 1 equal to 0, and another one is a 3x plus 4y minus 21 equal to 0.